Experience true wireless freedom with the TOZO T10 earbuds. Compact, comfortable, and packed with rich sound, they make every beat come alive wherever you go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the TOZO T10 Wireless Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. Lanyard. And user manual. Product overview. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards, then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Download the TOZO app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your TOZO earbuds. Open the case, and the earbuds will turn on. When the indicator blinks blue and red, they're in pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your device. Select the earbuds from the list and accept the pairing request. If not in pairing mode, turn them off by holding both earbuds until the red light blinks. Then hold again until the blue and red lights blink. Select the earbuds from your device, tap to connect, and the pairing is done. The TOZO app works on both Android and iPhone. Download it from the Play Store or App Store, then pair your earbuds via Bluetooth. Register with your email, country, and date of birth. Tap the plus icon and select the T10 to connect. The dashboard shows the left and right earbuds battery, while the case battery is checked via the 4 LED indicators. You can adjust the equalizer with preset modes and customize the touch controls for a fully personalized experience. Smart features? Enjoy up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge. With the charging case, you can get a total of around 55 hours of listening without frequent recharging. Experience faster and more stable connections with minimal dropouts. Enjoy seamless pairing with devices up to around 15 meters away. Designed to resist sweat, rain, and splashes for worry-free use. Perfect for workouts, outdoor activities, or rainy days. Adjust audio settings and choose from multiple EQ modes for your preferred sound. Customize touch controls for a fully personalized listening experience. Charge the case easily with wireless or USB-C charging for added convenience. The lightweight, compact design ensures comfortable use and easy portability. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the TOZO T10 Wireless Earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TOZO T10 Wireless Earbuds. See you at the next one.